Alright, I want to show you how to use Procreate to make really cool liquid backgrounds. The Procreate app, I think, was $9.99 in the Apple App Store. But all you do is just add a photo. And I have some really colorful ones up here. Let's see. So here we go. Here's a good one. So I got these images off of Pixabay, which are public domain, and I just look for the ones that I just really love the colors. And then you come to liquify, and I always I like to do the push, and you can test out. There we go. Move it around. Yeah, look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. And I discovered this because I was trying to make liquid backgrounds, but I was having a hard time coming up with the colors, and I started to use pictures for color inspiration, and then I discovered I could use the actual picture. And look at that. It's just like instant, perfect liquid background for any digital product. You can print it or use it for whatever you want. There's so many different things you can do. They have, you can crystallize it. And that's also cool. I like that look. You can reset it back to normal. Edge. Let's, I guess, pull it in. Expand. Pull that shit out. Twirl. This one's fun too. So you can also, change everything too. Momentum. So you can really get creative. So here, push it on. Do a really large looking one. Change it up. And you really can move these colors around to find what you like. Like, I like that. And then you just save it when you like it to whatever you want. I usually do JPEG image. And there you go. I just wanted to show you that Procreate little liquify tip, and have a good day. Thank you.